Okay, the third vlog will be on my classmates with super kindness and make me a laughing is Euros Naitan Bordeos. Okay, this is the story. Once upon a time, Euros Bordeos, they protecting me when he is an officer, and they said, "Stop fighting my brother. You have no right to fight him. If you still fight my brother, I'm gonna fight you." And they protect me. They said, "Federico, are you okay?" And they said, "Yes." I am super proud to him because that's my favorite brother, because I don't have a brother on my mom and I don't have a brother on my dad. That's my favorite. That's only have a favorite. My brother is only Bordeos. That's my favorite Bordeos. And sometimes, Euros Bordeos make me a super little bit hurting. And I'm always crying to him when he has a saying hurting. And I understand what he is saying. I did it embarrassing to him. So I always hug to him because that's my favorite brother. They always make me a laughing. And they always make me a joking. And they always make me a ngiti. And they always make me a smiling face. And he's never angry. Bordes is always kind to me are one freaking here. Sometimes Euros is make me holding my hand, and Euros is agree to hug. I hug him because that's my favorite brother. If you don't have a if you don't hug him, that's super hurt. It's never gonna be okay. And I am always want to go home with him because I don't want Euros Bordes is always walking when he's going home. Because Ariano to Malabon is super too far. So I want to be a super riding on the tricycle because that's the fun. The Lord said He needs a super more fun to my friend or my brother. Because Lord is gonna love us, Bordeos. Sana magustuhan mo yung mga sinasabi ko para paborito pa rin kita kasi ikaw lang paborito ko kahit lalilipat ka na sa susunod sa Las Piñas dahil ikaw pa rin ang paborito ko. And sometimes, Bordeos is making me a super fist pump for being a strong. At lagi niya ako sinasabi, pag tuwing wala kami pasok, namimiss niya ako, namimiss ko din siya. Bordeos, sana you gonna forget what I'm saying because that's your only my favorite brother because I don't have a brother on my mom, on my dad. And thank you for protecting me. I am super proud of you because you make me a laughing, joking, and sweetness and smiling face. I am crying to you because you are only my favorite for me. If you always said you're not always here for me, I understand you. I understand you are not always here for me because you're gonna return the house on Las Piñas and you're gonna go to the grade 9 or grade 10. But I am always here for you because I don't want to get your danger and I don't want to get your danger and your life. You're always tired. And you're always tired when you are walking. So I am always here for you to go riding on the tricycle. Euros, you are my favorite brother. So don't say that you doesn't mean that we are real brothers because that's super hurt. My heart it always hurt when you are saying that because you're our only 1 year favorite brother. And Merry Christmas sa'yo, Bordeos. Maraming salamat. Pero tektan mo ko dahil tama ka. Kawawa naman ako pag may nambubuli sa akin. That's your right. That's your super intelligent good. I am always super excellent to you. We are always genius, Euros. Don't worry. I am always here for you and I don't want to be alone for you. Thank you, Euros. You make me a laughing. Maraming salamat. God bless sa iyo at Merry Christmas. Para sa iyo din. At proud ako sa iyo. Mag-aaral ka mabuti para sa iyo, para madami ka palalakbayan. Ako din. Mag-aaral din ako mabuti para sa ating kalayaan, kinabukasan, at mabuting kalooban na ating magaganap. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Euros. I am always here for you. I always hug to you because that's my favorite boy. The boy You always hug because that's not embarrassing, because that's the favorite. I am always favorite for you. I am not gonna leaving to you. I am not gonna losing to you. Super proud for you, Bordeus. You are always Superman and you're always make me a kindness. Naiiyak ako sa iyo. Proud ako sa iyo, bro. Thank you, bro. I God bless you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, bro. Bye, Bordeus. Maraming sa protektan mo ulit.